From soaring inflation and rising interest rates to a fond farewell to the famous Choco Taco, this year has been a difficult one for the consumer. NBC News business and data reporter Brian Cheung looks back on a whirlwind 2022 for the economy.
Overall inflation picked up steam over the beginning of 2022, clocking in at 9% in June, the fastest pace of price increases since the 1980s. Food prices soared. A gallon of milk now averaging $4.22. Chicken, $1.84 a pound, and a dozen grade A eggs, $3.59 a dozen, all more expensive than this time last year. Gas prices top $5 a gallon in the summer before tilting below $3.50 in the later part of the year. And then rent, the biggest spend for most households, jumping 7 to 8%. Inflation did show signs of backing off in the later parts of the year as the Federal Reserve accelerated the pace of its interest rate increases.
1/4 percentage point, a 1/2 percentage point, 3/4 percentage point.
The Fed continued to raise rates at that pace, a speed not seen in decades. The idea to make borrowing costs expensive enough to slow the economy and inflation. Among the sharpest slowdowns in the housing market, where home buyers are saying nope to sky-high mortgage rates. 30-year fixed rates topped out at 7% in the fall, more than double what it was a year ago. The tech sector faced a pullback as well as Amazon and Meta laid off thousands of workers.
I want to say, up front, that I take full responsibility for this decision.
The tech layoffs did not appear to have a major impact on a strong jobs market, where the unemployment rate touched a 50-year low of 3.5% in September. Instead, the damage was done in the stock market, where the S&P 500 lost about a quarter of its value. Tech stocks were among the biggest losers.
Is everyone with me? Yeah! All right, then let's do this.
Meanwhile, labor unions at warehouses and coffee shops across the country mounted challenges against America's largest companies, demanding better pay, benefits, and working conditions. Among other business headlines, a cascade of bankruptcies in the crypto space, a flurry of high-profile mega mergers, and the discontinuation of the beloved Choco Taco. And a major theme for the American consumer, revenge spending, all to catch up on experiences and things impossible to do in 2020. A falling euro fueled American vacations abroad, and 2.56 million Americans hit the airport the Sunday after Thanksgiving this year, the highest number since 2019. And if there was any doubt about whether or not the in-theater experience was alive, Top Gun Maverick broke a record for box office ticket sales in any Memorial Day weekend ever. A blast from the past, a fitting theme for a 2022 in which people longed for a return to normal.
No kidding. All right, Brian, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.